Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Rosina Sharon, and guys, do you know I set goals nowadays? And I set a goal for today, and I made a promise to myself rather that I would be, especially if the goal is attainable, I'll make sure I attain the goal. So do you know what time it is? It's almost midnight. I promised myself, I had promised myself to do a video today, a YouTube video. I had one hell of a long day, but you know what? It's almost midnight. We are tired, but we're doing that video. So that said, today we're going to do, I don't know, I wanted to do a couple of videos today. I'll be filming a couple of videos today, but let's start with an eyelash tutorial because that is one thing I have not done in detail. So, and a lot of people are requesting for that video in particular. So we're going to do a very detailed false lashes tutorial or eyelashes tutorial. Okay, before we do that, kindly subscribe, share this in the comment section down below. I'll be reading all of them kama kawaida, and if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. No further ado, let us go straight into the video. Okay, so these are the lashes I normally go for. They're normally very lightweight and a bit fluffy. They come in different sizes and shapes. I would recommend you go for a pack that looks like this. So it's different sizes. You can start off with the smaller size, something that looks a bit very natural. Please don't start experimenting with the dramatic lashes. Start with something that is subtle, something fluffy and lightweight. Don't go for the rigid one that looks like umbrellas. I beg, fluffy. And the strip should be lightweight as well. As you can see here, the strip should be lightweight, the lash itself should be lightweight. Okay, so there is a part of the lash that is curved in, and then there is another side that is curved outwards. For me to explain it better, I had to use my hands because I was trying to explain it with this, but then I saw it was not making sense, especially for beginners. So I had to change it to my hands so you guys can understand better. So in your hand, when you curve it like this, there is this side that is curved in. Do you see that? Curved in. And then when you turn your hand, the other side is going to be curved out. I hope that makes sense. So apply this theory to your lashes. There is a side that is curved in, and then there is a side that is curved out. This side is curved out, the other side is curved in. So when you're applying the lashes, the side that is curved out should be facing down. The side that is curved in should be facing up. I hope that makes sense, because I'm really trying to explain it in a way any person can understand. Okay, so when it comes to the strip, when you're going to apply your glue on the strip, apply it on the side that is curved out, the side that is going to touch your skin. Okay, now for the application process itself, on the eyes, when I say inner corner, I mean this side. When I say outer corner, I mean that side, so you guys can understand. Now when you're holding your lashes, how to know which lash goes where? The side that is shorter in the lash is facing the inner corner. Okay, the shorter side should be placed on the inner corner, the longer side on the outer corner. That is when you know which lash goes where. Now for the application itself, you have to measure the lash on your eye first, and around the inner corner leave a bit of space. Don't start here. Don't start your lashes from the inner corner itself. It's going to look very, very funny. So leave a bit of space around the inner corner. So your falsies should start where your natural lashes start. And that is exactly how you measure. Even when you're measuring the lash, make sure it starts where your natural lashes start, not on the inner corner itself. So measure it from there to there, so you understand. If the lash is a bit too long, especially on the outer corner, you're going to cut it so it fits your eye. You have to measure it first before the application. Measure it. If it is longer, you cut it from the outer corner. Okay, from the outer, not the short side, the longer side is where you cut, not the shorter side, outer corner. And then come back and measure it again just to see if it fits. Okay, and for practice, please make sure you practice applying it without the glue first before you go to the glue. Okay, it's easier that way. So the glue I'm going to use is the Duo eyelash glue, and I'm going to apply it on the strip on the side that is curved out, the side that is going to touch the skin, okay? That is where you're going to apply the glue. So you're just going to apply a bit of glue, and then you're going to emphasize the glue on the edges. The edge on the inner corner, put more glue there, and the outer corner as well, put more glue. Okay, so along the strip, and then put more along the edges. And after applying the glue, give it time for it to get tacky. You can only apply the falsies when the glue is tacky, not when it is liquidy. How to tell? Take your finger and dab on the glue. Just slightly dab on it and see if it is tacky. If it is tacky, it's good to go. You can apply it. But if the glue is still watery or liquidy, wait, give it time, let it get tacky first. I did not say let it get dry. I said tacky. There's a difference, okay? Now, how to hold the lash for application. If you're going to use your finger, hold it sideways. Hold your finger sideways like this. Don't point it towards the eye. In sideways motion, the way I'm explaining here, sideways like that. And then hold it on the midpoint of the lash, not close to the inner corner or close to the outer corner, on the midpoint of the lash. Even in width, in the mid, so at least you have control over the lash, okay? You don't want it to be flapping all over the place. So for application, you're going to start from upper going down, not from down up, okay? From the upper, don't do this. It's like you're starting from the upper side, okay? Like that. And then now apply pressure as you go towards the skin. And you're going to apply the lash on the skin as close to the natural lash line as possible. Starting from the midpoint. Apply pressure in from the midpoint, and then you can leave it be, and then now apply pressure on the edges, both on the inner corner and outer corner, so it sticks. So start by sticking in the midpoint first, and then press it in on the outer corner and inner corner. I hope that makes sense. Okay, again guys, remember we left a bit of space around the inner corner, so it looks a bit natural. Okay, then you can use your finger and just press that edge so it touches the skin. Okay, again, we are playing it on the skin, not on top of the lashes. So alternatively, if you're not going to use your finger, you can use this eyelash holder. Again, you're focusing on the midpoint. Okay, midpoint. And guys, I said the side that is carved in is facing up, the side that is carved out is facing down. That is how you tell. Okay, now after that, you can use an eyelash color. An eyelash color also has the side that is carved in and out. The side that is carved in is going to face your eyes. And how to apply, you use it like you use your fingers. Open it up the way you open your fingers up, okay? And then you're going to start from the outer corner in that angle. I hope you guys understand. From the outer corner in that angle. Now don't look up, neither don't close your eyes. Just put your mirror down and look down, so at least your eyes are open but not all the way open, and they're not closed either. Starting from the outer corner, make sure the eyelash color is open completely, and place all your lashes in, and then press to make sure your natural lashes and your falsies are pressed in together, so we don't have space in between your natural lashes and your falsies, so they look like one and the same. We don't want to see spaces in between. And then after, you can use a cream black liner on the upper lash line, just to fill up that space, inner corner, outer corner, and on all the areas you feel like there is a space showing, just to fill up that space so it looks natural. So it looks like your falsies are your falsies are part of your lashes. We don't want to see spaces again, guys. No spaces in between, okay? We want to look like these are the natural lashes we have on. They're just longer, okay? Guys, I really hope you have understood this tutorial, okay? Because I have done my research. I have made sure I explain like I'm explaining to a little child, so you guys can understand. Anybody can understand. And for practice purposes, again, guys, practice without the glue first before you practice with the glue. Start off without the glue, just to understand the placements first. Your hands can get used to what, and then now you can apply the glue and apply it with the glue. And it will take a couple of tries for you to get it. So if you miss it the first time, keep practicing until you get it, okay? Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next. Bye.